Did it on the stairs, did it stack it to the room. Had that Gucci licking all of my new Gucci shoes. Kissing on your neck, you told me that I'm too deep to tell your ex to leave you alone, leave your creep. I saw her face down, write me like a pony. These niggas so phony, treat you like a trophy. You know I picked up when the phone ring. You know I go deep till I make you scream. You say my D game amazing. Oh, D game on strong. Fuck it up all night long. Beat it up, get piped down. Yeah.
I get so lonely.
Touch her if she brave. Then know that one who looks so like a rush, she need to shave. I face it only like a road, it want to pay. Tell her to let me dance and go back in a shit.
I look at them so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love me doing no one else can.
Look, it's all bad, it's all real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Woo! I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. Woo! But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All I back need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop, touch me, I'll shoot.
Coño, se te tiene coño. Coño, se te tiene coño. Coño, 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 coño.